Hi guys, I'm here today with the Ram once again, and I'm going to be changing out the oil pan. So let's get started. Okay, so let's get down under the truck and have a look at the oil pan. So there's the oil pan back there, and as you can see, it's not looking pretty. Here there are spots where the rust is just flaking off. It isn't leaking yet, but it's just a matter of time, so we better get it changed out. So first I drain out the oil. Now the first thing we're going to have to remove is the support bracket between the transmission and engine. So we have these 4 bolts to remove, but the problem, as you can see on the left side, 2 of the bolts are behind this mount and difficult to get to. So rather than take the mount off, I've just used a die grinder to remove a bit of material to reach the bolts. I just need to take a little more off to fit a deep socket in there. Now I can remove the 8 bolts holding the brace in place. Here I need a 15mm socket and wrench. And using a small pry bar, I can pry the brace free and wiggle it out. Now I can remove all the 10mm bolts holding the oil pan to the bottom of the engine. Then using a small pry bar and a hammer, I tap the seam, then pry the old oil pan free. Then with a little maneuvering to clear the oil pickup tube, I managed to get the oil pan out. Luckily this one came off much easier than some others do. So here we have our new Dorman oil pan. We can see the difference between the new and old pans. I clean the lip of the pan and apply a silicone gasket. As usual, I'm using Permatex Ultra Copper, which is my go-to gasket maker. I clean up the engine block where the pan bolts up, then carefully maneuver the new pan into place, making sure not to upset the gasket. Then I put all the bolts in finger tight and let the gasket sit for an hour before tightening them up. Now we can put the brace back in, tighten all the bolts up, and we're pretty much done. After waiting 24 hours for the gasket to cure, I can refill the engine with oil. This video is brought to you by PartsMatrix.ca. You can use coupon code NHBH to save on all your auto parts needs. And that's it. Well, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it or found it helpful, please give it a like, and I'll see you in the next one.